Hi guys, do you like my background? I'm going to change it. You saw that one last episode, not episode, but last thing, so why not do the next one? This one's always catching me. This one right here. That one's cool, but ooh. Let's try a new color, even though this one matches it perfectly. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.